Um, all Igbos, I want you to understand this video I'm making now. You understand? When you question water now, this statement from Gumi stating that Igbo should fight IPOB. I want you to understand that in this particular statement, it is more like saying Igbos should fight Igbos. It's not issue of you being an IPOB member or not. It's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is about Igbo people. You understand? Igbos. You're an Igbo person now. Now decide that they concentrate. Some people will say, are you an IPOB member or this and that? It's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the fact that he is stating that Igbos should begin to fight IPOB. He's trying to make it look like Igbos should fight themselves. Aba people should be fighting Umaya people. Anambra should be fighting Oka. Oka should be fighting Ebonyi. Ebonyi should be fighting Imo State people. Fight those fighting among yourselves. If you see their own matter now, you notice that in the north, when north come to their own case, they mention it the north. And this north consists of the north central, north east, northwest. They call themselves north. And nobody say they don't get different languages or small languages. For our own, now him they talk say make we fight each other. Please, it's important say make we know take some of these things serious. You understand? It's no good make you as an Igbo man they fight your fellow Igbo man. It's not a good thing. The world will not take you, will not be friendly with you. It's more like a betrayal. You fighting your brother, killing your brother is betrayal. So as an Igbo person, let us work together. Let us work together. Make we do things together. Make we know they listen to all these kind of statements. They act upon this thing. Some of you, when you go outside Nigeria, you say, oh, yeah. Or you come online, you begin to talk that Igbos don't like themselves. People stop using those statements. Do you think these regions like themselves? You think say Hausa people like themselves? You think say Yorubas like themselves? Some of them, they know the truth happening there. They just only try, what they do is they try to cover themselves. They don't want to be painted like that publicly. Naturally, we Igbos are Republicans. We know they hide mouths. Yorubas are more like monarchy type of people. They practice monarchy. Fulanis practice a feudal system. So you could see people that practice that kind of feudal and monarchy, they are more like yes sir people. But we are not that type of yes sir. We are open-minded people. So sometimes when we use those statements in the name of being open-minded, it costs us a lot. So it's not good for us to begin to tell each other it's like we don't like ourselves, Igbo people don't like themselves. Don't be using that statement. It's not a good thing. You understand? So I want now update I make I share with now. So Gumi to government train Igbo people to army IPOB is like telling Igbos to fight ourselves. Please let's be one another skipper. Let's be one another skipper. Thank you.